Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your math teacher from IOAS school. Before starting the lecture, I have some instruction for you. Kindly follow them strictly. Listen the lecture very carefully and don't move during lecture. Don't disturb teacher and other participant during lecture. If you have any question to ask, kindly note it down and ask at the end of the lecture by raising hand or by chatting. Keep all necessary things with you like stationery box, rough copy, textbook, and so on. And don't miss any lecture because they are important for you. Now we are moving to our lecture, today's lecture, chapter number 4, comparison. The topic is comparison by one-to-one matching, page number 15 to 19, lesson number 4. Today we will learn about recognize the sign of greater than, less than, and equal to. So I hope, inshallah, at the end of the lesson, you will learn all these things. Now, let's learn to compare objects by one-to-one matching. One-to-one matching, you can make comparison of size of two set of object. Here we see the two set of object that are that that are cars. More precise by the way of one-to-one matching. For one-to-one matching, we draw object to object line between each pair of set as you see here. The red car is matched with the red one and the blue car with blue car, other car and green car with the other green car. So these are the two set of cars. In one set we have three cars and the other set we also have three cars. Drawing object to object line between each pair of cars, we find that each car has an other car. As you see here, the cars are in the same quantities. Here we see the same quantities of the left side cars and the right side car. So we can say equal quantity. Here, equal quantity. So equal mean the same. Equal mean the same. And the same amount you can count. The same amount you can count. Now, here we can see two groups, group A and group B. In group A, there are four fishes. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are four fishes in group A and group B. There are four birds. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are four birds in group B. After counting them, we find that the number of fishes is 4. The number of fishes is 4. Also, the number of birds is 4. The number of fishes is 4 and the number of birds is 4. So we write 4 equal to 4. We write here 4. This 4 represent the number of fishes and this 4 represent the number of birds. So 4 equal to 4. So equal is represented here. Equal is a sign of equality. Okay. The number of fish and number of birds are same. So equal sign is show the number of equality. Now, the number of fishes equal to, here we mention the sign, the number of fishes equal to the number of birds. As you count there, in previous picture, as you count here, the number of fishes equal to the number of birds or the number of The number of 4, 4 is represent the number of fishes. The number of 4, 4 is represent the number of birds. Okay, 4 equal to 4 is equal to 4. This 4 represent the number of fish and this 4 is represent the number of birds. So 4 equal to 4. Or in mathematicals, we write this 4 equal to 4. This is a sign of equal to. This is a sign of equal to. 4 equal to 4. This equal to sign show the number of quantity, show the equality of the number. Okay, now comparison by the one-to-one matching. The next one, in first box, in the first group, we see the number of cups. How many cups are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 cups are here. There are 5 cups are here in this group, and the other groups we see the gift pack. So how many gift packs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 number of cups equal to 5 number of gifts. 5, this 5 show the number of cups. So how many cups are here? 5. So 5 cups equal to the 5 number of gifts. So both are equal. Number of cups and number of gifts. Number of cups and number of gifts are equal. So 5 equal to 5. I hope you understand the sign of equal to. Where we use the sign of equal to when we have the same quantity. So we put the sign of equal to. So comparison of two sets of object by one-to-one matching. Now let's we draw object to object line between each pair of cups. Here we see the cups and saucer. So we find that so first we match them. First cup match with the first saucer. The second cup match with the second saucer. The third cup match with the third saucer. And fourth cup match with the fourth saucer. And fifth cup match with the fifth saucer. Sixth cup match. But there is no saucer here. So it means it means we find that one cup remains without saucer. The one cup remains without saucer. So the quantity of the cups, is more than that of the saucer. The quantity of the cups. Here, how many cups? 6. So the quantity of the cups is more than that this saucer. And we can say that the quantity of the saucer is less than that of the cups. I repeat again, the quantity of the cups is more than of these saucer, and we can say that the quantity of the saucer is less than that cups. Now the number of saucer less than the number of cups. The number of saucer less than the number of cups. The number 5. 5 means number of saucer. And less than, this sign is represent the less than. This sign is called the less than. And symbolic we represent it. So 5 less than the number of 6. 6 is represent here the number of cups. So the number 5 less than the number of 6. And we can say 5 is less than 6. 5 is less than 6. In mathematicals, we write this 5 less than 6. Okay. And also we can say that the number of cups greater than the number of saucers. The number of cups greater than the number of saucers. The number 6, as you know, 6 is represent the number of cups. Greater than the number of 5, 5 represent the number of saucers. So 6 is greater than 5. 6 is greater than 5. In mathematics, we mention, in mathematics we write like this. 6 greater than 5. 6 greater than 5. Now, let's do the other activity. Compare by matching one-to-one one-to-one matching. Yes. Here we see how many balls. Yes, counted students. How many balls are here? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 balls are here. And how many bears? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 5 balls in one group, and other groups we have 4 bears. So when we match it, so we get 5 is more than, because 5 is greater. 5 is more than 4. 5 is a ball and the 4 is show the number of bears. So 5 is more than 4. We say 5 is greater than 4. The ball is greater than bear. So we say 5 is greater than 4. And we can write in this way, 5 greater than 4. 5 greater than 4. Let's share the other example. Here, how many jokers can you see here? 1, 2, 3. And how many dogs? Yes, 2 dogs. In first group, you can see the 3 jokers, and the other groups you see the 2 dogs. So how to read it and how to write it? 3. 3 is more than 2. 3 is more than 2. And we can say 3 is greater than 2. 3 is greater than 2. So we can write this as 3 greater than 2. 3 is greater than 2. Now, we have an other example and count it. Here we have, in first box, we have how many apples? Yes, we have 6 apples. In first group, we have 6 apples. And the other groups, we have how many brinjal? Yes, 8. How many brinjal we have? 8. We have in first group 6 apples and 8 brinjals. So how can we read it and how can we write it? So 6 is fewer than 8. Fewer means less. Fewer means less. So 6 is fewer than 8. We can say 6 is, lesser than 8, because the brinjal, the quantity of the brinjal is greater as compared to apple. So we say 6 represent the number of apples. So 6 is lesser than 8. So we can write this as, 6 less than 8. 6 is less than 8. Let's share the other example. comparison by one-to-one matching again. So in this group, how many cars can you see? Yes. In this group, we have 3 cars, and the other groups, we have 4 cabs. I repeat again, and in first group, we have 3 cars, and the other groups, we have 4 cabs. So we have to find which is less or which is greater. So we are left with the one cab. So 3. 3 is represent the number of cars. 3 is fewer than 4. 4 represent the number of cabs. So we say 3 is lesser than 4. 3 is lesser than 4 or 3 is less than 4. So we can rewrite this is as 3 less than 4. 3 less than 4. This is a symbol of less than. This is a symbol of less than. Okay, class. Can you help me to solve this activity? Fill in the missing word. Here we see the number and fill the gap by using word less than, greater than. So in A we see the number 18, and what is the sign of this one? As you see, the 18 is greater number as compared to 17. So when the number is bigger, so we can say 18 is greater than 17. 18 is greater than 17. Okay. Number B, 2. 2. This is a sign of greater. 2. Now see the 2, 2, 2. So 2, when we compare 2 with the 19, so 2 is less or greater? Obviously 2 is less. So we can say here 2 is less than 19 because 2 is less, fewer number. So 2 is less. So 2 is less than 19. As I shared, 18 is greater than 17. 2 is less than 19. Now, see the next number, 14. Then, what is the sign of this one? Yes, obviously, the first number is less. So, we can say it is a sign of less than. It is a sign of less than. Because the first number is less, so we use the sign less than. The 14 is less than 15. Okay. See the next sum. Next example. 16 16. And what is the sign of this one? Again compare two numbers, 16 and 15. Which one is 16 is greater or less? Yes. 16 is greater as compared to 15. So we can say 16 is greater than 15. Now, 10, yes. Identify this sign. What is the name of this sign? Yes. The number 10 is bigger or smaller as compared to 9. Yes, 10 is bigger. So we use the sign greater. Greater we use for the bigger one. So 10 is greater than 9. 10 is greater than 9. I am telling you so how to identify the sign. If the number is bigger, so the sign obviously greater than. So 10 is greater than 9. The next one 7. Yes, what is the name of this sign? 7. Less or greater? Yes, 7 is a smaller number as compared to 18. So It is less. So 7 is less than 18. 7 is less than 18. I hope you all have understood this less than or greater than sign. Now, shall I move to the next activity? Yes. Fill in the box with greater than and less than. In previous activity, we write there the name of the symbol, but here we put the symbol of less than or greater than. This is a sign of this is a sign of this is a sign of less than. This sign show the less than, and this sign show the greater than. So 15, obviously 15 is bigger number as compared to 30. So we put the sign greater than. So 15 greater than 13. Yes, 12. 12 is a smaller number or bigger number as compared to 19. Obviously 12 is smaller number. So 12 is less than. So which sign we use here? Less than 19. Now 2, 2, 3. 2 is a less than 3. Now next one 0. In previous class I told the value of the 0. 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. There is no value right now. So 0 is a smaller number as compared to 5. So 0 is less than 5. 0 is less than 5. 20, as you see, 20 is bigger number as compared to 10. So 20 greater than 10. We use here the sign this, greater than sign. Now 15 greater than 6. 15 is a bigger number as compared to 6. So we can say 15 is greater than 6. Now, next example is 10 greater than 0. As I told you, 0 means nothing. No value is here. So 10 is bigger than 0. So 10 is greater than 0. 11 is a bigger number as compared to 10. So we put the sign here, greater than. So we read it, 11 greater than 10. Now, the next and last one is 14 and 13. So 14 is a bigger number. So we use here the sign greater than. 14 greater than 13. 14 greater than 13. Write the correct number in each box by matching. Here we see the number of orange. How many orange are here? 3. So we write here 3. 3 is how many less as compared to balls? So how many balls are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls. So 1 to 1 matching. We see here the one ball is left. So we can say that 3 is 1 less than 4. This 4 represents the number of 4 balls, and this one here show the left amount of ball, and 3 show the number of oranges. 3 is 1 less than 4. Now see the animals here. Two. There are two. There are two. 2. So 2 is 1 less than 3. 2 is 1 than less 3. 3 show the line. Now, how many screwdriver are here? 4. So 4 is less than 1 because we left here the 1 pencil. So 4 is 1 less than 5. Okay, here we see how many pencil? 5. So we write here the 5. Number of pencil is 1 more because there are 4 stars here. So 1 is more. 1 pencil is more. So 5 is 1 more than 4. Here how many stars? 4 stars is 2. How many less? Because we left here 2 pencil for matching. So 4 is 2 less than 6. Okay, again we see here the 6 number of star is 1 is more. 1 is more than 5 because we see here okay, one star is left, so 6 is 1 more than 5. Now repeat with me the sign and with their name. This is the sign of greater than. It is called greater than. This is a sign of less than. This is a sign of equal to. Now, note down your home tasks. Do page number. There is no copy work today. There is, listen carefully, student. There is no copy work today, but you have to do your book work. Do page number 7 through 19. Mean page number 17, page number 18, and 19 in your textbook. You just have a book task.